When you travel, it's all about feeling it. The smells, the tastes, the touches. You can't get it anywhere else other than actually going there. What I'm doing is enriching people's lives.
We are literally the longest established travel company in the world. We've been serving travelers for over 260 years. Cox and Kings was the first to attempt an expedition to Mount Everest in 1922. We escorted Gandhi on his trips throughout Europe. I think the secret of Cox and Kings is that we understand that no two travelers are alike, and also no two trips are alike.
Our vacations with Cox and Kings have been the most amazing ones. It stays with you.
Travel should really be a learning experience for you. To just be able to do things, just when they happen.
Handcrafted means personal experiences that you can't replicate. We look for experiences that you can't find in any guidebook and you can't find on any website. We have people out on the road constantly year-round scouting these locations with our local guides. And then they know when they have a client how to make that experience come alive for them.
I would describe my job as being a matchmaker. It's about a conversation, really listening to them and hearing what it is that they want. And we essentially pair them with everything that goes into making their trip one of a kind, perfectly matched to them.
It's extremely collaborative, and together we actually review all the itineraries and make the changes so that my clients tell me it was the best trip of their lives.
We are as careful in selecting our guides for our clients as we are our own team.
I believe that my job is a privilege. One of the things about the Cox and Kings traveler is that he's all about the experiences. He wants to be involved with the local culture, so it brings me joy.
Travel has made me more open and freer.
Travel has definitely made me more adventurous. But to know you're going back to an absolutely fabulous hotel and sleep well and enjoy yourself and eat good food, it's just the total package to me. So that's perfect.
I trust Cox and Kings to be able to help me facilitate and put together a trip that is going to wow my clients, that they're going to come back from this experience completely different than when they left.
It's really all about access and experience. We've been forging these relationships with locals in each community to get our clients and get our small groups into places that others really can't access.
Travel teaches you to find the good in all people, enjoy their foods, immerse yourself in the culture. To be truly handcrafted, a trip should meet your needs and desires.
And Cox and Kings does that because they understand my feelings, how I view the world, and they end up adjusting the trip according to me.
And so you can customize your adventure to what really interests you.
That's a powerful thing when you feel that you've got to know your client so well that you're sure that this is probably going to be the best experience of their life.
Travel has made me a better person, more cultured, well-rounded.
We've passed it down to our kids who enjoy to travel, and now they've picked up the same bug that we have.
It's such a great feeling to know that they will pass down that story for generations. It makes me just so happy.
You know, I wake up every day and I live this. This is not a job. This is my life.